All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and something interesting happened over the last week. I did some traveling up and down the East Coast, and I used my smartphone as a GPS device. And I wonder, I was looking down at my smartphone quite a bit, and there were times where I probably put myself in vulnerable positions when I was looking down and I wasn't in the city that I'm used to. So I wondered, David, is it legal to use your phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android or a BlackBerry, as a GPS device while you are driving?
Well, it's interesting you asked that question because here in California, I think it was several months ago, where an individual was ticketed for using his cell phone as a GPS device and he was checking it. And he went to court. Obviously, the trial judge decided against them and said, yes, I'm going to fine you. And then he appealed the decision and went to the appellate court. And the appellate court said, yeah, you know what, as far as what the law says is that it's only restricting somebody from using their phone and using it as a phone in the sense of talking on it. And that's got to be hands-free. But there's nothing in the statute that prohibits you from using your phone as a cell phone. So I guess you could say there's a loophole in the statute as it is right now. Maybe sometime it might be argued differently, but as of now in the state of California, it is okay for you to use your cell phone as a GPS device and move around and use it, and even a police officer catches you, say, I'm using my GPS, I was just looking down on it. Now, from a personal side, as a personal injury attorney, I would say that anything you can do to avoid any distraction, to avoid an accident, is what I advise, because again, it does distract your attention, and even though if you're momentarily looking down at it, a sudden incident could happen, and it cuts down on your reaction perception time, and it could potentially lead to an accident. And one of the other topics which we'll probably cover later on is as to whether it's okay to use your cell phone when you're stopped and at a traffic light or something like that. But I would say try to avoid your cell phones as much as you can.
Absolutely, and there is a resource on the David Azizi personalinjury.com page that has plenty of information about car accidents. You'll see the link below as well. But if you have been in a car accident or you've had any type of personal injury, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will see the phone number above as well as below in the YouTube information. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.